Hi everyone, Carmen here, and in this video I will show you how to install TranslatePress, the most user-friendly translation plugin for WordPress, and also how to activate premium add-ons in order to enable advanced features like SEO translation or allowing multiple languages on your site. We'll go through the installation process for both the free and the pro version of the plugin, so keep on watching in order to see how easy it is to get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins. Click on Add New and search for TranslatePress. Click Install Now, and once that's done, make sure to activate it. That's it, the core plugin is now installed and ready to go. With the free version installed, you can already start translating your site into one additional language. But if you need even more options in terms of translation, like multiple languages, SEO metadata, or automatic language detection, you will need the premium version. Let's quickly go to the TranslatePress website. Here you'll first have to choose the plan that's best for your needs. After your purchase, go to your own TranslatePress account. As you can see, here you can download both the free version of the plugin and the premium one. Since we already have the core plugin installed from the previous step, we'll download only the premium one. Once that's done, let's quickly go back to our WordPress dashboard and upload the plugin file. In this example, I am installing TranslatePress Business, but the same process works for the other paid versions as well. Go back to your TranslatePress account and click the copy button next to your license key. Then let's go to the TranslatePress settings and navigate to the license tab. Here you simply have to paste the license key and click on Activate License. Good, now everything is set up and ready to go. All you have to do now is activate individual add-ons based on what functionalities you need. For this, let's go to the Add-ons tab. Here you will find all the available add-ons included with your plan. To enable one, all you have to do is click on the Activate button near each add-on. For example, if you're looking to translate SEO elements, you should activate the SEO pack add-on. Or if you want to automatically detect the user's language to serve them the right translation from the start, you'll want to enable the automatic user language detection add-on. Or let's say you want to have different menu items for each language version of your site. Then you need the navigation based on language add-on. If you're struggling to understand the functionalities of any add-on, I put the add-ons documentation in the description for you to check out. And that's it! Now you know how to successfully install TranslatePress and activate any add-on you want for your website. That was pretty easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more in-depth WordPress tutorials. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.